Here's how to install the optional Tegris Belt End for your PHLster Enigma sport belt. If you are using the OS standard or OS Light-Bearing faceplate, you'll need this Tegris Belt End, which comes included with your sport belt, in order to connect the belt to the faceplate. This will bolt onto one of those holes, and then you'll thread your belt through here. So your sport belt comes with two symmetric nylon webbing ends, one of which will have a tri-glide pre-installed on it. This is set up for a right-handed user, so any open top pockets are facing up when this tri-glide is around on your right hip. So to install your Tegris Belt End, you're going to take your nylon webbing, fold it twice to center, and then just push that right through the Tegris Belt End like that and pull. We want to see the material. We don't want a half and half crease here. We want the material slightly rolled at each corner, so it's basically centered going through the Tegris piece. Then you just pull the excess over, thread it up into the tri-glide and back down, and that way your slack is captured and your Tegris Belt End is installed on your sport belt. Then that will attach to your OS standard or OS Light-Bearing faceplate using the exact hardware that you used to attach the standard belt that came with your Enigma, and it will just bolt through whichever one of these holes you want based on your ride height and cant preferences. And finding your concealment sweet spot, all the concealment mechanics, good stuff. If you are using your sport belt with an Enigma Express, you don't need this Tegris Belt End. It's not necessary because the belt will thread directly through the slots in the Enigma faceplate, Enigma Express faceplate, and on the other end, we'll just go through your fidlock. Thread it through and back, and then your fidlock is installed. If you have an OS standard or light-bearing faceplate, your fidlock will look like this, and then there'll be a separate Tegris adapter, and this bolts onto the faceplate at the other edge. If you have an Enigma Express, your fidlock buckle will come like this with this pre-installed buckle capture that's eyeletted, and then you'll just thread through the buckle and back, and then this piece will thread into the faceplate and then be captured by a single screw. So that's the breakdown on installing the Tegris Belt End on your sport belt, why it's not sewn in the first place anymore, because most of our customers are using them with an Express, and how to set it up and adjust it. Thanks for watching.